Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Todoist's search feature effectively. Let's get started. First up, let's open Todoist. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. See that little magnifying glass icon? That's your gateway to the powerful search feature. This helps us because it allows us to quickly locate tasks, projects, labels, and more within our Todoist universe. Now that we've located the search bar, let's type in a keyword. Say you're looking for a task labeled meeting. Just start typing meeting. Todoist's advanced search technology will instantly start suggesting matches. The reason we do this is to bypass the manual task of scrolling through all your tasks and projects. It's a real time saver. Next up, let's talk about using filters in our search. After typing your keyword, you can add filters like at work or P1 to narrow down your results. This helps us because it allows us to search tasks based on labels or priority levels, making it even easier to find what you're after. Let me explain why this matters. In a busy work environment, every second counts. Being able to quickly and accurately locate tasks can make a huge difference in your productivity. You can also use the search bar to pull up all tasks due today or in the next 7 days. Simply type today or next 7 days. This is incredibly useful for planning your day or week ahead. Finally, remember you can combine various filters to find exactly what you need. For example, typing P1 and at work and today will show all high-priority tasks for work that are due today. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is using its powerful search algorithm to quickly and accurately locate the tasks that match your specific requirements. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to use Todoist's search feature effectively. Remember, the key is to use keywords and filters to narrow down your search. It's all about saving time and boosting productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.